Are you gonna play in the snow? You hear that? Yeah, there's a crow. Look. Mommy's in the snow. Get it. You get the snow? Oh. Oh. Wipe it off. Shake it off. Whoa. You shake it off? Yeah. Get it. Got some snow on you right there. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it off. You want to sit in the snow? It's your first snow. You want to sit in it? You do? Okay. Give me here. Come on. Oh, sorry. I had snow on my hand. That's okay. Give me here. But it's just snow. Come on. Here we go. Go. You gonna walk in it? No? Okay. You got it on your hands. That's okay. Here. There goes some more. You gonna play with it? Look. You gonna make a snowman or a heart? You gonna put that in the snow? Oh. We made a heart. Look at this. Snowman. Put it in the snow. Boom. Put it in the snow. You gonna make the snowman? Let's see, we're not gonna be making snow angels today, huh? Let's put your hood on, your cupcake hood. Let's put your hood over your cupcake toboggan. Keep it extra warm. Get the heart. Get the heart. See the heart? Get the heart. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.